Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2018 Infiniti Q50 all-wheel drive that we have for sale. If you're in the market for an all-wheel drive luxury sedan, the Q50 is an excellent choice, offering you sporty performance, Japanese build quality, and so much good looks and great features. This one we acquired from its previous customer. He had a couple of vehicles. He basically had a job where he had to, drive a lot. He didn't need two cars anymore. This was his, driving work car, and he had an older Lexus SUV, so he opted to sell this to us. And of course, we jumped at the opportunity to get a nice, clean Carfax vehicle from the Pacific Northwest. This one is beautiful color combination in white on black. And 2018 is a great year for the Q50 because it got an interior and exterior facelift, looking better than ever. New steering wheel. This is the same steering wheel you find in the Q60 Coupe. You have upgraded wood trim, which didn't come in this option package previously. They also made upgrades to the dashboard. You have this nice contrast stitching for a nicer look. You have a drive mode selector here that makes changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings for different driving situations. You have a 7-speed automatic transmission to maximize performance and efficiency. You have also a manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back and to the left. You push up to upshift, back to downshift for rev match downshift. They also changed the shifter design and look for 2018. Really looks nice. You have that contrast stitching, Infiniti logo right in the middle. Nice update. The Infiniti Q50 has a dual display system. The top screen is for Bluetooth connectivity, clock, parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. This one also features a moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener. The steering wheel tilts and telescopes, so it goes up and down and in and out. So you always have that nice setting for you. This Q50 has been serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. You only get an Infiniti tech certified tech at a new Infiniti store like us. In fact, who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti store like us? Our techs work on these vehicles on a daily basis. We know what to look for as far as recalls, issues that might be fixed under warranty. We can take care of those here, being a new Infiniti franchise. Interior space is pretty good. I'm 6'2". I had the front seat adjusted for my height. Still have plenty of legroom back here. Even though this is considered a compact vehicle, it does not necessarily feel compact on the inside. And the Q50 is a little bit more generous of interior space than some of the competition. Dual exhaust system for performance stance. You notice that they also have an underbody diffuser. This one features an intelligent all-wheel drive system, great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. In conditions like this, this will definitely improve your wet weather traction with all-wheel drive. And the reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will send 100% of the power to the rear wheels. That gives you the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. It also helps improve fuel economy and helps battle premature tire wear, which is sometimes an issue with all-wheel drive vehicles. But as soon as those rear wheels slip in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. For amazing wet weather performance, and with 300 horsepower, it definitely could benefit from the all-wheel drive system in wet conditions versus a rear-wheel drive version. And of course, if you're going to drive in the snow, you definitely will do a lot better with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. The heart of the Q50 is this VR30 twin-turbo V6, very smooth. It features direct injection, some of the latest in gasoline engine technology. Direct injection sends highly pressurized gas directly into the combustion chamber. That lowers emissions, improves fuel economy, and also gives you more horsepower. Look at the looks and lines of this Q50. It's an absolutely beautiful automobile, unlike anything else on the road. Japanese build quality, amazing performance. You'll really have a lot of fun driving this Q50. And it also is backed by a 5-day 100% money back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you purchase from us, be it new or pre-owned. That's why we have that 5-day money back guarantee. No restocking fees, no gimmicks, no exchanging it for another vehicle. It really truly is 100% money back. Thank you so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.